welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today I have got I am going to be doing, if I can find it, what do you call it tag. I was tagged by the lovely Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet, and I will tag a few people and hopefully they will take part. So, what do you call cooking food on a grill? We call it barbecue here in the UK. What do you call a carbonated beverage? We call it pop, or depends on what it is, cola, lemonade, but we generally call it, well, when I was a child we called it pop. The thing you push around the thing that you push groceries around in a shop, we call them trolleys. Bugs that light up at a night time, we call them fireflies. Well, that's what I call them. How do you pronounce this word? P-E-C-A-N. I say pecan. I know in America there is very, depending on where you are, they say it very differently, but I say pecan. Last piece of bread in a loaf is, we call them crusts. Well, I call them crusts, I'm not sure. How do you pronounce the word C-A-R-A-M-E-L? Caramel. Caramel. What do you call athletic wear? We call it sports kit. Now this one I haven't got a clue because I don't know. Little lobster looking creature in freshwater stream. I don't know. I haven't got a clue, so I haven't got a word for that. I know Pamela, I think she called it crawdad or something like that. You'll have to check out her answers. The faucet or a tap inside or outside, we just call them taps. Liquid that makes a car go, we call it petrol. I know it's called gas in the US. The space at the back of your car, we call them the boot. I know it's called the trunk abroad. Lights that regulate traffic, we call them traffic lights. Place you buy alcohol from, we call them off licenses. Things to switch the TV on, remote control. Place that you get medicine, we call them chemists. Breakfast you eat with syrup, pancakes. Information on streets and roads, street maps. Machine you get money from, cash machine we call them. And sweet on a stick, we call them lollipops. So they're my answers. I found when I watched Pamela's that it was quite interesting to see and hear her answers. So I thought, oh, and she tagged me into it, so I thought, oh, I'll have a go. So they're my answers. It'll be interesting to see what you say. I know, like here in the UK, there's different dialects, different ways of saying things. So I'm going to tag 4 people. I'm going to tag David from Bearded Yarn Dudes. I'm going to tag Daniel because he's here in the UK but he lives up in Scotland. I'm going to tag Melissa from Melissa with Love, I think it is. I'll put their and Stephanie as well. So they're the 4 people I'm going to tag. I do hope you take part, because I'd love to see what you say in answer to these. What you say in answer to these questions. tags. So thank you so much to Pamela for tagging me into this. I've really enjoyed it, and I so enjoyed, and Pamela's mum said, what she said, something, I bet the lady in the UK something says something really posh. Bless her. I'm not posh by any means, but they are my answers. I really hope that you do take part in this tag. I look forward to seeing what David, Daniel, Melissa and Stephanie give me their answers, and good luck everybody. I know there are quite a few tags out there. I know Granny D's done one and another lady's done one, and I can't for the life of me think what her name is, but check it. Hashtag what do you call it tag. Thank you ever so much for watching today, and thank you all so much for subscribing. Don't forget to give me the full package, as Jeanette from DIY Creations says. That's a like, subscribe and comment, and until next time, I'll see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, and more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.